Ever wished you could magically reshape your videos? Today, we're diving into how easily you can crop videos using Shotcut, that amazing free video editor. Let's get started, shall we? First, open Shotcut and load your desired video clip into the timeline. Now, head over to the Filters panel, which you can find usually to the left or top. Click the plus symbol to add a filter. This opens the Add Filter menu in the search bar. Type in crop or scroll until you find the crop filter. Then click it to add the filter. The crop filter is now active. You'll see these options: top, bottom, left, and right. These are your controls. Let's start with top. Drag the slider or enter numerical value to crop from the top of your video. You'll visibly notice the video being cropped. As you adjust, you can also click the numeric box to manually enter a value. Next, adjust the bottom setting to crop from the, you guessed it, the bottom. Again, change the values in the numeric box or move the scroll bar. Similarly, use the left setting to crop the video from the left side. Notice how the footage moves as the crop is applied. Finally, use the right setting to crop from the right. All simple. If you need a quick way to visualize it, think of it like creating a window around the most important part of your video or content. When you're happy with the cropping, you can export it by hitting export at the top. Ensure you select the desired export settings such as video format, codec, resolution, etc. as per your requirements. Give the video a descriptive name, making sure to select a location to save it to for you access it at a later date. And there you have it. You've successfully cropped your video in Shotcut. Now go forth and shape your videos to your heart's content. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what kind of videos we'll be creating.